Hello and welcome to SchoolTonic. Through this video, we will see how we can take a report of the student performance. For this, click on Reports from the left navigation, followed by Student Performance. Here, the session and the class name are mandatory, so let's choose a session and a class name. Then you can click on search and the student performance would be shown. See, these are the students and here are their performance. You can also put the section name if you want the student performance to be filtered on the basis of section. Choose the section and then click on search. Then the student performance would be based on the selected section. You can find here there are several details of the student and also the total marks obtained, total marks and the percentage along with the grade. You can also choose an exam category and then click on search. Then based on the exam category selected, the student performance list would be shown. Moreover, if you want to filter on the exam name, choose an exam name, then click on search. Then the performance would be based on the exam name chosen. Moreover, if you choose a particular subject and also if you select a particular gender, then on the basis of the fields selected, you'll get the performance of the student. See, this list shows the student performance in a particular subject, which is mathematics, and we have also chosen the gender as male, so it's showing the performance record of all the male students of class 1 section A who have given the exam of mathematics. You'll find some options here like result in continuous form. If you mouse over here, it will give you the information that if you select this icon, then the result would be in continuous form. It means that if a particular student or a number of students who have standard, if two or more students have stood in the same rank or position, then it would be in a continuous form. That is, the next student rank would be the next or the successive of the previous rank. Say this student stood first, this one the second, this one the third, and two students have stood in the fourth position. So the next rank would be a successive of the previous rank. You'll find few options here. If you mouse over, then it will show you that this icon will show the result in continuous form, and if you choose this icon, the result would be in discrete form. If you choose the result to be in continuous form, then if two or more students hold the same position or rank, then the following student would not hold the rank successive to it. That means if two or more students have scored or have stood in the same position, then the next student would be given a rank after calculating the number of students. Say this student stood first, this second, this one the third, and two students have stood fourth, then the next rank would be sixth, rather 5. You can see here that till here the student count is 5. Still, these two students have scored the same marks and have stood the same position. So the next rank would be 6th, rather 5. Again, the next two students have scored the same marks and have stood at the 7th position. So the next rank would be 9th, rather 8th. And if you choose result in discrete form and then click on search, you'll find that the result shows the students have scored the ranking as 1, 2, 3, then 4, 4, 5, then 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. This means that if two or more students have stood in the same position, then the next rank would be the successive number would be the successive number. That is, these two students have stood fourth and the next student will then stand in the fifth position or would be given the rank fifth. The next would be the successive number, that is 6, 6, and the following student would be given the rank as 7. Moreover, these two icons will let us view the results in ascending or descending form. If you choose this icon and then click on search, then the result would be in a descending form. So now we know how we can take the report of the student performance based on different classes and sections, and also based on different exam categories, exam names and subject names, and how we can view the results in continuous, discrete, ascending or descending order. Thank you.